put this on.
I don't need it. You use it before you get soaked.
I'll go with you.
What on earth can they be up to in this darkness?
It was your father that put it here, but it's fallen down in downpour.
I'll have to put it right, but first.
Be careful. We'll lift it together.
It's a good thing I have work. Otherwise, what would I do with all this strength I have?
Yes, right. You might get rusty.
There. Mother, give me the plant.
Arang, you're here. You'll get all wet, dear. Were you worried about
I couldn't
us?
sleep.
What are you doing here, Aran? In this rain? The plant's been hurt. It might even be broken.
But you're losing blood.
No, it's only a scratch.
But you're losing a lot.
No, it's
Here,
nothing.
put a bandage around it.
Don't worry, Mother.